everyone, welcome back to Okorie Family TV. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. On this channel, we share biblical and practical teachings on marriage, relationships, and family. Today's teaching is titled 7 Habits That Build a Happy Marriage. Everyone wants a happy marriage, but happiness does not happen by chance. Strong marriages are built through daily habits and intentional choices. Whether you're single, engaged, newly married, or have been married for many years, this message is for you. If you like this teaching, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who will benefit from it. Let's begin. 1. Learn to communicate with love. One of the greatest habits in a healthy marriage is communication. Many couples don't have major problems because they don't love each other. They struggle because they don't communicate well. Talk honestly, listen carefully. Don't interrupt each other. Don't assume your spouse knows what you are thinking. When disagreements arise, speak with respect rather than anger. Communication builds understanding, and understanding strengthens love. 2. Practice forgiveness. No marriage is perfect. There will be misunderstanding and disappointments. The difference between happy marriage and unhappy ones is often how couples handle those moments. Forgiveness does not mean pretending nothing happened. It means not to let bitterness control your heart. Discuss problems. Learn from mistakes. Forgive sincerely. A marriage filled with forgiveness creates room for healing and growth. 3. Support each other's dreams. Marriage should help both husband and wife become better people. Celebrate your spouse's progress. Encourage their gifts. Pray for their purpose. Don't become jealous of each other's success. When one person wins, the family wins. A supportive marriage becomes a stronger marriage. 4. Make God the foundation. The strongest marriages are built on God's wisdom. Pray together. Study God's words together. Invite God into your decisions. Faith doesn't remove every challenge, but it gives couples strength to face every challenge together. When God is at the center, couples learn humility, patience, and unconditional love. 5. Respect each other daily. Love and respect work together. Speak kindly. Value your spouse's opinions. Avoid insults during disagreements. Respect should not disappear because you have been married for many years. The words you speak inside your home should encourage, not destroy. Respect creates an atmosphere where love continues to grow. 6. Spend quality time together. Life becomes busy with work, children, and responsibilities. But don't allow busyness to steal your relationship. Spend time together, laugh together, take walks, share meals, celebrate small victories. Strong marriages are built through everyday moments, not only big occasions. 7. Never stop growing together. Healthy couples never stop learning. Read marriage books, attend seminars, watch teachings together, set family goals, pray about your future. Growth keeps your relationship fresh and helps you face new seasons together. In conclusion, a happy marriage is not built in one day. It is built on one conversation, one act of forgiveness, one prayer, one encouraging word, and one intentional decision at a time. If you're single, begin to develop this habit now. If you're married, ask yourself, which of these 7 habits do we need to improve? Remember, marriage should be a place where both husband and wife grow together in love, purpose, and faith. If this message has blessed you, please like this video, subscribe to Okorie Family TV, and share it with someone preparing for marriage or someone who is already married. Leave a comment below. Which of these 7 habits do you think is most important in building a happy marriage? Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in our next video.